Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Justin. I am the creator and founder of Orem.io, an AI music creating platform. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Orem's Track Studios, where you can create your very first track. So, that being said, first thing we want to do is go down to our beautiful dock here. We're going to go to Track Studios. Now, you have two ways you can create a track. First way, simple, which is just a prompt. It's your prompt method. Second way is creator, which is your custom way. For this video, I'm going to show you the simple mode first, and then I'll show you the creator. So for simple mode, you want to start with the track title. For this one, I'm going to call it Rockets. And then we just type in a simple prompt. So I'm just going to type something here. And blasting off to outer space. Use trap elements with the dark atmospheric vibe. Okay. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not the best at prompting, which is why we have this enhance prompt button here. So I'm just going to tap that and it'll give me a more detailed structured prompt. So we have create a trap song about rockets and blasting off into outer space using deep 808 sub bass, crisp hi-hats, and punchy kick drums with a dark broadening intro that builds into an expensive atmospheric drop filled with reverb and synth pads. So a little bit more structured and detail there. Now I'm going to add some custom lyrics. You do have a custom lyrics option, which you can utilize two ways. So you can generate lyrics. You can generate custom lyrics with Miro, the AI assistant, or you can write your own lyrics, which you have your formats here, your intro, your verse 1, chorus, verse 2, verse 3, bridge, outro, ad libs, and you can customize that. For this video, I'm going to generate with Miro. First, I'm going to customize some options before I write my prompt. I'm going to select the language to be English. I do want an intro. I love intros on songs. And I'm just going to do 2 verses, 2 choruses, the cadence styles, how we want it to flow. We're going to do let's do a bounce. The density, how spaced out do we want our lyrics? I like to choose balance. That way it's balanced for you. And then hook style. Let's do a catchy hook. And then if we want to add some ad libs, you can type some ad libs in there or just leave it blank for auto. And then if you want the explicit content, if you want some explicit words on there, you can turn that on. Just know the track will be marked with an E badge to let users know it's explicit. But we're going to leave that off. I'm going to hit done. And now I'm going to prompt it. So lyrics should be about rockets blasting off into outer space trap style. Okay. We hit generate lyrics. Give it a few seconds. You're going to get a lyric preview box here in which you can make changes, edits. You can take things out, add things. Just give it a few seconds and boom, right here, you have a preview box with all your lyrics. So again, we chose the intro, 2 verses, 2 choruses. So we have our intro, our verse 1, chorus 1, verse 2, and then our final chorus. Now, I am going to make a change. I like to edit into the intro. I'm just going to put Orem on the beat to get a little shout out there. And then we'll hit done. So as you can see, now Orem on the beat is included into the intro. Now, after we've finalized everything, we got our title, our prompt. If you don't like it, you can always retry it, but I'm going to keep it. We have our lyrics. So we hit generate track. And now Our track is generating, so we just give it a few minutes. All right, and we have our track finally finished. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. And before we actually play, I do want to mention that when you generate a track, you will get two versions, a version 1 and a version 2. So let's go ahead and give both a listen. We'll start with version 1 first. Here's version 1.
Orem on the beat. Countdown starting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine rumbling, feel it in your lungs. Strapping tight, cause we about to run. Baby, we ain't stopping till we touch the sun. Yeah. Lift off, calling and I feel it in my bones tonight. Flames igniting underneath me as I break the light. Left the ground behind me and I'm reaching for the stars. Every mile I'm climbing, feeling lighter than before. Mission locked and loaded, got my eyes on something more. Houston, can you hear me? Cause I'm gonna be on the...
Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go ahead and give version 2 a listen. That wasn't bad. Version 2.
Orem on the beat. Countdown started 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine rumbling, feel it in your lungs. Strapping tight, cause we about to run. Baby, we ain't stopping till we touch the sun. Yeah. Lift off calling and I feel it in my bones tonight. Flames igniting underneath me as I break the light. Left the ground behind me and I'm reaching for the stars. Every mile I'm climbing, feeling lighter than before. Mission locked and loaded, got my eyes on something more. Houston, can you hear me? Cause I'm gon' be on the floor. Gravity can't hold me, cut the cord and I am free. Shooting through the atmosphere.
Okay, I would say that did not disappoint at all. So there you have it. That's how you generate a track using Orem's Track Studios. Easy, simple. Again, this is the simple mode. Track title, prompt, custom lyrics, generate. Next video, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize the creator mode. You have a lot more custom options here. So thank you guys for joining me and have a great day.